I don't know if that worked in the editing. Hello, kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe, and this is my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be recreating a messy makeup look for the 4th time. Second video ever on this channel that's still up so far, unless I delete it. I mean, I am going to delete it. That's the point. This is the original, the beginning of the end. Glued down side of the brows, and a little bit of smeared lipstick. Oh, don't you worry, it's going to get worse. And then it was this. Craziness. No eyebrows at this point. No blending either. And then it was this. This is the most recent iteration from 2 years ago. And I'm going to do the exact same thing just with gigantic eyebrows and probably smoother foundation, I guess. I'm looking at the camera. This is the updated version I have for you. You can see with your eyes, unless you can't. And in that case, sorry. All right, I'm going to do my base really fast. That way, I don't know. You guys already know what I do. You already know what the name is. Part 2. Alright, that's done. No more from me. Look out, cause here I come. And anyway, time for blush. This is my first time wearing a purple magenta blush, but I decided beforehand that I want to do that often, so hope it looks good. I did buy, oh my god, I did buy a purple blush palette from Trixie Mattel, Trixie Cosmetics, but I don't know where it went. I think I threw it away because I got scammed. But either way, Trixie got my money, darn it. I think I'm gonna use Carefree because this is very magenta. I'm so nervous, you guys. Either it's not working the best on my skin tone or this shade in itself is not that pigmented. There's just something off about this. I think I just dug in my snot. Or there is. I think I need to go slightly darker. You guys, ooh, I look like the dad from Corpse Bride. Why not everything? No. I'm pink. Pink and purple go together. Stop. Oh. I guess I'll have to finish the look first and see what I think. All right, I'm gonna do the brows in one eye off camera, and I'll be right back. I just saw Steve. All right, I did both brows in one eye. Hold on. All right, I did both brows in one eye off camera, and I think it looks pretty good. So let's do it on this one. Please. Morphe X Abby Roberts. That's the one that I use the most, including to clean up this liner. Oh. I didn't start with the crease. I don't know why I'm starting with the crease on this side. Guys. Sometimes. So I started doing one of these, and that's pretty much it. With the fluffiest brush imaginable, just add it on layer by layer, because that's neat, right? Now in the crease, I'm going in with the same color, but in a more concentrated way with the packer brush. I can literally zoom in editing. I don't know why I'm just like, oh, what happened? Somebody put black eyeshadow on my nose, you guys. Somebody fess up. And now this artistry color, I'm gonna go on the inner and outer corners of my lid, just there and there, just to give the haloid effect that it deserves. What deserves? Your guess is as good as mine. It's a little crusty in the inner corner because I have eczema and it's acting up right now. No other reason. My skills aren't bad. Your skills are bad. Now on the underneath of the eye, I'm gonna use Rick and Morty, hot. Just like in the middle and like closer to the eye scan, Fine China, this slightly darker blue. Now with this yellowy gold shimmer La Vibes, it's probably Spanish, La Vibes. I'm gonna just do one of these. No cutting the crease necessary unless you aren't doing glitter, which you should not be doing glitter unless you have an eye safe glitter. Don't do it, let me do it. I'm done. And by don't do it, I mean use a non-eye safe glitter, if you couldn't tell. This all started because I accidentally got yellow under my eye as I was doing it over here, and I couldn't swipe it off. So I just added onto it. Sometimes you just gotta improvise and just add, keep adding, and then subtract, and then add again. Multiply. Now on top, I am going to use a nail glitter. You should be using an eye safe glitter if you're going to be doing this. If you're not going to be doing this, do not use an eye safe. You better be using an eye safe glitter if you're gonna do this. Hello. Who else can put yellow and red together and not make it look like Ronald McDonald Ketchup and Mustard? If you think I look like Ronald McDonald Ketchup and Mustard, don't say anything. I forgot to do the liner first. No, I have to do liner over the glitter. Poop on a bucket. What? Ooh, that was so clean. This one ended so much better than this one. Oh, is it spring break still? Don't answer that. I don't want to know. You live your life, I live mine. In the doodle, I put black line in the waterline. I'm not doing that. I can't be all spiked. For jams, this is craft store, craft, arts and crafts jams. One of them is higher than the other one. Oh no, I'm talking about the eyebrows. This is a systemic thing. It's so deep in there. Oh, why is it so droopy? Should I delete my account? No, I have to wait for my album. Time for mascara. This one? Sorry. What have I become? No matter what eyeshadow I do, I always have to raise my brows in the finished product because I have a Neanderthal forehead. It is kind of a little surprise. Also, this brow bone. That's why the liner's droopy. That's the only reason. Should I whip these bad boys out? Again. Yeah. Special equation. Oh my. I'm in math class again. Adding and subtracting, subtracting and adding and adding and adding and multiplication. If you see purple every time I blink, it's because there's purple glitter on it. Did you guys forget that I'm going to do a rainbow on my chin? Isn't that darling? You can really make the same pair of lashes look different per look if you change out the liner and where you place the lash on your eye. It looks like it could end over here because the liner's so thick over here. You guys know what I mean? That makes sense? You want a snow cone? Why am I fanning myself with my mirror? I'm gonna hurt myself. Today, I'm gonna fart on Carol. So for lipstick and lip gloss, before the cacophony of eyeshadows all over my mouth, I'm gonna do the True Matte Lipstick from Broadway Colors in the shade... Why is it greasy? Did it pee on itself? In the shade Made in China? In the shade Lemon Pie. Huh? Fun fact for you. A while back, fun fact for you. Originally, a couple of years ago, I wanted splatters to be my whole thing. I'm gonna start with a purple. Now I'm doing blue, as you can see. A little green with that, little green. You guys, I don't know what was that. Be careful if you're doing this, by the way. Some eyeshadows are not meant for the mouth, and it will tell you, most of the time, it'll tell you, like, not for use of mouth. At least on the packaging when you buy it. If you buy it, and if you don't steal it. Please don't steal. Stealing is wrong. There we go. This is the finished look. I'm going to brush my hair, and then do the jewelry. And I'll be right back. Yellow jewelry. I choose you. So, made this myself. Hot glue on gems on hot glue. And some sewing buttons with yellow and yellowish gems on it. And you guys see, this one is going to go on the main ear part. And the smaller ones are going to go up here. I've never worn either of these before, so... a little exciting there. Little front kiss there. There was a lash on my pant. Oh, isn't that just darling? You can't even tell these are buttons. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that it took to get here. In the original 3, I wore a bottom lash. Wait, did I wear it? I'm not scrolling all the way back and looking, so. You guys go to the beginning of the video and watch it all over again. Look at the picture and then come back here. Was there a bottom lash on the latest picture from 2 years ago? Right. Anyway, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that it took to get here. I look crazy. I kind of like it. Guys, am I out of my mind? Out of my mind. Chloe the God. Pretty good. Please consider liking, commenting, sharing, all the things, interacting with this channel, watching all of my videos a couple of times so I can monetize it finally. Or if you don't want to do that, that's fine. I also have a Cash App, JoeMoore684, right here. If you guys want to support me financially before I get my channel monetized and before I finally find a job. Still hard to do. See y'all in the next one. Next time I'm going to do blue eyeshadow because I haven't done blue eyeshadow on its own in a while. That could be exciting. Not as exciting as this. Not as exciting as this. Okay, bye now.